Bullish Cardano cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.79 and $3.90 by 2030. Market investigators accept ADA could reach $1.79 by 2025. Bearish Cardano market cost expectation for 2022 is 31 cents. Cardano presentation. The digital currency market is increasing continuously. In any case, staying aware of this speedy industry is certainly not a simple assignment. Subsequently, numerous financial backers and brokers who need to exploit the market to create critical gains are drawn to Cardano. Stay close by for a careful clarification of how Cardano cost expectation functions, its specialized investigation, and what's in store for Cardano in the event that you're attempting to enter the Cardano exchanging market. Yet, remember that in the event that you want long-haul achievement and benefits, exchanging digital currencies is a steady undertaking that calls for both tolerance and exploration. We should plunge profound into the blog entry to comprehend whether this coin seems okay for you. What is Cardano? Cardano, frequently known as the potential Ethereum executioner, stands high in the crypto market with secure blockchain innovation, progressive savvy agreements, and application cases. Cardano, which exchanges under the image ADA, was presented by Charles Hoskinson and utilized a proof-of-stake component, in which holders of the money are accused of checking exchanges as a trade-off for a prize. The top digital money trades permit you to partake in marking with no cost, making it an engaging choice to create pay. Cardano's attention on peer-assessed information and proof-based approaches in its improvement separates it from other digital currencies. Most of the cryptographic money market goes quick, yet Cardano swings the alternate way. It moves all the more leisurely and purposefully. The benefit is that it improves engineers' probability of distinguishing likely dangers. Essential investigation. Cardano's unmistakable offer is its certain strength. They aren't expecting to catch the whole market for shrewd agreements and DApps. All things being equal, they focus on building a functional decentralized monetary area for the creating scene. The Cardano settlement layer and Cardano calculation layer design keep up with everything coordinated and adaptable concerning innovation. The Cardano group has held the record part of the blockchain unmistakable from the figure part of the blockchain because of their obligation to straightforwardness. Also, Cardano pushes out around 700 commitments each week and arrives at roughly 100 and 150 engineers reliably chipping away at the undertaking. Because of these huge quantities of engineers, the coin is probably going to overwhelm Ethereum in market predominance and is the most effectively evolved blockchain project. As the organization's power increments with decentralization and the ADA token inventory is set at 45 billion, there are possible benefits for financial backers to buy, keep, and stake ADA tokens. Cardano current cost. Cardano is at present worth 39 cents USD. ADA has moved 1.80% as of now with an exchanging volume of $397,816,015. Cardano is at present positioned 8 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $12,288,927,847 USD. Cardano value expectation 2022. Cardano, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The ADA cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 59 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging 55 cents in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and headway. ADA is supposed to have a base worth of 47 cents. Cardano value forecast 2023. In 2023, Cardano ADA cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ADA will before long outperform 99 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the ADA's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers, taking into account the market instability. ADA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 79 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 87 cents. Cardano value forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.39 and ADA might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ADA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.27 and a low of $1.19 in 2024. Cardano value forecast 2025. On the off chance that Cardano effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the ADA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ADA will be green in 2025. The ADA is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $1.79, with a base cost of $1.59 and a typical cost of $1.67. Cardano Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the ADA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2.07 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.99 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ADA has a most extreme value worth of $2.19. Cardano Value Forecast 2027, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.47. On the off chance that ADA figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $2.59. Neglecting to assemble the help ADA needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $2.39. Cardano Value Forecast 2028. While ADA is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $2.78 and a yearly cost close above $2.98 in 2028. Cardano Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Cardano will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $3.18 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $3.38, averaging out at $3.26. Cardano Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme ADA cost in 2030 is projected to be $3.90 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $3.74. Cardano may not encounter a moment blast, but rather it can possibly keep rivaling the best digital currencies. Cardano's innovation and future endeavors are energizing by their own doing, as are other beneficial cryptographic money choices. Thus, while you probably shouldn't rush out and purchase your ADA today, it's valuable on your radar as innovation develops. Keep in mind, it's not possible for anyone to ensure benefit when you are exchanging a cryptographic money, so it's smarter to explore than to lament. What is the Cardano cost today? Today, Cardano is exchanging at 39 cents with a complete market capitalization of $12,288,927,847. Is Cardano a wise venture? Cardano ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is shrewd to say that ADA is a decent decision of venture. How high could Cardano at any point go? The typical cost of Cardano might potentially reach 55 cents this year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Cardano might outperform $2.59. What amount will Cardano be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising notoriety of digital money and Cardano, a drawn-out interest in ADA